Mentak step kawai ke dukan Motphran ka kemding sudan ir hadu bakra jur kani dukan latip kum ka syunak an sweet kabadon hajuan komplek kat kum ke jing tip kadau jong kani ke jing plu ka te dukan kadai nama ba utra jong ka te dukan o pendon kam da ka disu bat Rnga ban siat ha Karai bat ka Karai ke kemding kansan bir hadu baka plu ka te dukan hanrai nakal yang kipulit pelip ding giwa 1 point wot sekade jaka ban tem no ye kane ka ding ke baklang kanang baka nem yo ban pur sigiwe pat kidukan
tissue paper and all, it just got fire. And all these things are wooden. So owner
कैसा हुआ है?
हम भी नहीं था, अभी हम भी आए, हम भी बाहर था।
ये कैसा, ये गैस की वजह से हुआ?
नहीं गैस नहीं, डीजल भट्टी से।
डीजल से? डीजल कैसा हुआ?
डीजल भट्टी आता है, बताइए
कैसा हुआ?
we have that tank now where we store diesel. So we dip that diesel into a pipe and then we burn that one stove. So ultimately that stove, the flame was high and it got fire in that utensil now where the oil was kept.
So anyone got injured in this?
No, right now no injuries. So we have immediately evacuated all the gas cylinders. Be it empty also we have taken out. We tried all our efforts to clean the gas, means customers also, and later the firefighters are here.
Okay.
गया वो